Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today I am so excited to tell you I bought something. Finally, I got my Vitamix. Today I'm going to unbox the Vitamix and give you my review. I found it on sale at Costco for a really good deal, and we are going to unbox it and show you some ways to make some special treats. Throughout the next few weeks I will show you a few different recipes. Let's get to the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen, and here we are with my Vitamix. This is the E320 series, and I got the color red, and we're going to open the box up and see all the goodies inside.
How much did you pay for it?
Oh yeah, so this is normally $3.99 at Costco. It was $80 off, so I paid $3.19.
Pretty good deal.
Hey, I'm so excited. I have been wanting a Vitamix for years. So this was a big deal that I got it. Okay, so this is the personal cup. So if you make the smoothie, you can put your smoothie in here or whatever you want, and then there should be a lid to it, but it's double panel so it won't sweat. So yay. Here's the lid. So you just put it on there.
Chug it.
I'm gonna go.
Right.
Okay. This is really fun. This is the tamper. I'll show you what that's for in a little bit. Another personal cup. Yeah. No, my kids won't fight over it. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So, you're gonna put, for your personal with 1 cup, a smoothie, let's say, you put your ingredients in here. Put it in here. Then you blend it in the Vitamix. Flip it over. Take it off. Put it on here. And we know the drill. Go, go, go.
Gotcha.
Alright, what else? I need a stool. Okay. Another lid. Ooh, we have our recipe book.
Oh, it comes with the recipe book?
Yes, so we will definitely need that. So I will make something besides smoothies and ice cream. This is where some of the magic happens. So this is a 64 ounce. It's 2 liter, and it's the low profile. So I'm hoping this fits directly under my cabinets when it sits on top of the motor. Man, it's pretty. I'm in love. Okay, I might need help on this one. Maybe not.
Put it on the floor.
There we go. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You're so pretty. Again. Look. Wow. Does it match my red?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well let's just go let them introduce themselves. Please. Hi. Vitamix. KitchenAid Vitamix. Dream come true happening right here. Okay, we're gonna see if I can fit it under the cabinet. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Oh.
Take the lid off.
Well, it definitely fits in.
There you go.
Okay. I don't know if this is where it will stay forever, but I just saw another really neat feature for the cord. It gets tucked away and wrapped around And it has these little notches to keep it there. So
That's cool.
that's neat. All right. Well, I think we probably need to clean it first, and then we can make something. So
Let's check the instructions.
yeah, they have a really neat, kind of like a self-cleaner. It's really simple. Okay, check the instructions. Okay, the instructions say that we need to clean it. This is called the first blend. So I've got a half pitcher of warm water. We're going to add a drop of dish soap. Add the lid. You're going to turn it on. We're going to keep it on 1. I don't know if you can go in here and see. We have it on 1. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to turn it all the way up to a 10. And that's our first blend. And that's how you clean the Vitamix. It's that simple. Okay. On to our next blend. It's time to make our first recipe, and it's gonna be real strawberry ice cream. So we have got our vanilla. We have half a cup of milk. We have half cup of heavy whipping cream. Oh yeah. We have a 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 1/4 cups of frozen strawberries. We're going to secure the lid. Okay, make sure it's secure. And we're going to leave it on 1 again, turn it on. So we turned it off so we could see how things are going, and it's pretty liquidy. It's not turning into ice cream on our first go. So we're gonna add some ice cubes. And we'll make ice cream that way. Put the lid back on. Again, it's probably gonna be loud. So here we go. So we're learning here, even after we put the ice in, that did not
So I say we just eat it the way it is and move on to the
kind of like
next
a
thing.
smoothie now. So here, let me get a cup. So let's see how this liquid ice cream tastes. I like how it pours. That's real fresh strawberry cream. The recipe is delicious. I just have to figure out how to make it into an ice cream form. So maybe we're supposed to just put it in the freezer.
We'll do more research and get back to you.
In the meantime, I'm gonna drink this. Overall, I think the Vitamix is a great mixer. I love that it has a 7-year warranty. I'm gonna do some research and come back to you guys with more recipes. I can't wait to try them out and show them to you. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe.